Hey guys, we're at Neotech Hackternoons today. Let's see what our members are doing. Alright. Hello guys, what are you guys working on?
Oh, we are deep in the hellhole of reading a 21,000 line log file, trying to see where it went south.
So what?
Probably dependencies for
okay.
One of our packages were not met. That's like my guess.
Okay.
Always.
Okay.
But yeah, this is like not getting solved in any way. This is the hardest debug of my life. No, okay. Well, it's nowhere near it.
As you can see, I have some other priorities too. So, yeah.
It'll get fixed. It'll get fixed.
Yeah.
All right. What are we looking at here?
These are my brainwaves. And I'm collecting data on brainwaves. So when I blink, it like moves faster apparently in my brain.
Okay.
Man, and if I just stop thinking,
Every single package that you
Then it
have.
becomes.
die.
Wow. Are you recording data right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I finished recording
Hopefully I didn't mess up your data.
It's okay.
Alright, okay, cool. Thanks. Alright, what are we doing here?
Oh, I was just looking at my beautiful data that we collected for workshops. Well, I mean, this data is actually pretty bad. This is like unfiltered data, but this is I actually made my own auxiliary electrode, courtesy of Interaxon. When I was working there, they taught me how to make an auxiliary electrode.
Okay.
Anyways, so then I used it, and I was like, you know what? Let's also get some heart data.
Okay.
So
Heart
I
data.
did that. Yeah. Like
Oh, wow.
I just wanted to like see, like whether the electrode was good.
Okay.
And now I have my brainwaves, which are okay, and then my heart data. And you can
Oh,
filter it.
wait,
Oh yeah, so that's
okay.
the power spectral analysis. You can
Awesome.
see that we have a lot of power line noise at 60 hertz. You can remove it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, pretty much like just disappeared.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and let's see what's this. Oh, this is, I think, what is this? Oh, this is just like alpha high, I think.
Okay.
And yeah, you can just like, you can do a bunch of this analysis. And like, figure out like what the person is doing.
Okay.
Kind of based on their EEG.
So, is this going to be taught at our workshops?
Yeah, actually already was.
Oh, already was?
Yeah,
oh,
already,
okay.
it was taught last week. Yeah.
Okay.
So like what I'm actually supposed to be doing now is converting our MindType app to Electron, but I'll get to that
in a
soon,
bit. Yeah.
bit.
Do you want to do a shameless plug-in for our workshop?
Oh yeah, so we have a semester-long workshop series. So it's like a nine-week workshop series where you get to make your own first brain art piece, and you get to figure out what's happening inside your brain and display that artistically. And it's for everyone, regardless of background, regardless of what you know. We start with like the absolute basics of Python, and at the end you make your own brain art app with all the stuff that you learn in our workshop. So this year's like completely sold out, and like we had to extend tickets twice, but
and
they're
there's
starting next summer as well. So yeah, keep an eye on that.
All right, awesome. Thanks.
Cool.
All right, and what are we working on here?
Hey, I'm working on the machine learning portion of MindType.
Okay.
So basically, we have a lot of data, and then we're putting that into this pipeline.
Okay.
And we're trying to make good predictions for whether a P300 event is happening or not. Right now, I'm debugging the prediction side of things.
Yeah.
Since we're able to get all the data in and make that part work, but actually giving back the P300 still requires a bit of work.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And this is for what project?
This is for MindType.
Okay.
And MindType is where we try to build a mind control keyboard.
Oh, wow.
So how that works is that we have a device that a person wears on their head, something like this.
Yeah.
And that basically collects brainwaves. And we take those brainwaves in, and then we try to see if the person is basically thinking of certain letters or not.
Okay, cool.
And the idea is that from that we can build a keyboard.
Awesome. All right, thanks. All right. And new to Hackternoons is free donuts and coffee, sponsored by our friends at Tim Hortons. Not really, but please sponsor us. Yeah, come by on Sundays if you are free. Thank you.